Hi, I'm Menna and today I'm going to be showing you how to make pom-poms. Right, all you're going to need to make these pom-poms are some white wool, a pom-pom maker and a pair of small scissors. Step 1 is to open up the pom-pom maker like so. Step 2 is to wrap the wool around. Is to do the same exact thing as this side on this side. Is to close the pom-pom maker and cut the ends off. Step 5 is to cut through the middle. Step 6 is to grab a piece of wool and wrap it around and tie a very tight knot. You might need an adult's help with this. Step 7 is to take the pom-pom maker off. Product, the pom-pom.